Hey love, are you dating a godly man right now? Or maybe you just met one and you're wondering, can this lead to marriage? How fast is too fast? How do I know if it's really God? Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how a godly, respectful man can ask you to marry him in just 6 months. There will be no rushing, no games, just peace, love, and clarity. If you both are doing it God's way, of course. This video is gonna be like a big sister talk, so grab a tea, journal, and let's get started. Month 1. Get to know each other the right way. When you first meet him, don't jump into, he might be my husband, too fast. Ladies, that's desperate. And do not tell him I'm dating for marriage or start to asking questions like you're on an interview. Instead, take time to see if he's truly a godly man. So in the first month, talk on the phone, go for a coffee, go for dates, or meet at church. See if he keeps his word and treats you with kindness. Don't open your whole heart just yet. Just stay calm and enjoy. Let him ask you out, let him plan, let him lead. Ladies, in this stage, you're just watching for green or red flags and praying to discern. So don't fall too fast, don't overshare, don't try to prove you're the one. Let the man show you his intentions with his actions. If he's clear, consistent, and honors God, keep going. If he's confusing, flirty with others, or lazy, walk away early. Ladies, I will link a video how to spot red flags in a man so you don't waste your time on players. Month 2. Emotional connection and faith conversations. By now, you may be seeing each other once a week or more. That's great. This month is all about deeper talks. You can talk about your and his passions. What are his goals? How does he pray? Also share about you, but don't overgive your heart. Remember, guard your heart. Let him lead. Also, don't play hard to get. Don't play games at all. There is no need for that. Remember, you're dating a man of God, not a player. Big difference. So just be soft, kind, and full of faith. It's very important to be a Proverbs woman, meaning control your emotions and watch your words. Watch how you speak, what you say. If you want to know what is the Proverbs woman, I will link a video in the description also. It's so important to get it right, as this is where he is deciding on your true character and questioning, could you be the one? This is the month where emotional safety is built. Therefore, you're watching, is he safe with your heart? Does he love God more than you? If yes, then let your heart open slowly. Now, ladies, please pay attention to the time frame, meaning I'm talking here about building more emotional connection in a second month. If you're still liking each other, that is. Not on the first date or the second date, meaning take your time with everything. When you go too fast, you come across as too keen. You're putting a lot of pressure and taking the lead. And godly man, run away from that. Month 3, falling in love. This month, your feelings will grow stronger, and that's okay. It's normal. If you're seeing him once or twice a week, talking often, and he's being consistent, but here's the key. Let him lead the love. Let him say, I love you first. Let him talk about the future first. Let him take the next steps. You don't have to chase. You don't have to control. You just have to respond, smile, listen, and let peace guide you. At this stage, you should feel safe, peaceful, honored, not rushed or anxious or belittled or disrespected. And if you feel confused all the time, that's not love. That's a red flag. He's not the one. Let him go. Don't waste your time. Ladies, if you want help becoming a soft, confident, godly woman who knows how to date with peace, come join my High Value Woman School. You will get daily support from me and my coaches, a group of women just like you, a 7-day free trial, and only $39 a month after that. It's the place where heartbreak turns into healing and confusion turns into confidence. I will drop the link in the video description box below so you can join right now. You're not meant to walk this journey alone. I'll see you there. Month 4. Talk about the future. This is when things get real. If he is truly serious, he will start talking about marriage, family, what kind of life he wants with you. And it should feel natural, not forced. Let him take the lead. You just answer from your heart, softly and honestly. If he asks what you want, say something like, well, I had loved to be a wife someday, if it's God's will, and if a man is right. No pressure, nowhere is this going. You are not saying that you want to marry him. No, you are just simply sharing your thoughts. Let God and his actions speak. And by now, if he's the right man for you, you should feel emotionally safe and spiritually aligned. Month 5. Meet the family. Get wise counsel. Now, he should be taking the lead and initiating for you to meet his parents or family. And after, you can invite him to meet yours. Talk to your pastor, mentor. You should not be hiding your relationship at this point. Godly relationships are meant to be seen, not kept in dark. So please pay attention. The relationship is going public after a few months, not after a few dates. Again, ladies, don't pressure or expect too much in the beginning. I feel like I have to remind this all the time. Ladies, also ask yourself, do I see red flags? Perhaps ask a coach to help you to discern the relationship and the man. Are we praying together and not just kissing? And yes, by month 5, you may start to feel very close physically, but this is the month to stay pure and fight for holiness. No soul ties, no sleepover that will cloud your vision. Stay strong. Ladies, remember, a good man protects your honor and does not abuse it. And here comes the month 6, the decision and the ring. If he's a godly man and has been clear, faithful, and open about the future, he may bring up marriage seriously. He might say, I have prayed and I know you're the one. I want to build a life with you. I'm ready to propose. Or he will just drop on his knee and propose. Now, ladies, listen carefully. Don't push for the ring. Don't beg or hint. If God is in it, he will know what to do. You should feel peace, not panic. And if he does propose in month 6, with prayer, support, and God's peace, say yes. If not, and he's still unsure, give him time, but don't wait forever in confusion. You deserve clarity. Now let's get to bonus tip, and it's actually insanely important. And it is what not to do in these 6 months. So don't chase him, don't sleep with him, don't try to be his savior, don't try to be his healer, therapist, or psychologist. Don't ignore red flags, don't lose emotional control, don't yell, don't send long essays or call 10 times in a row. Don't act jealous, controlling, or angry. That's not godly. Don't put pressure, don't lead, Don't curse. Don't be too available. Don't see him every single day. You're still not married, remember. Don't victimize yourself. Don't talk about your exes in detail. Don't pretend to be okay when you're not okay. Don't rush things. Don't tell everyone he's your husband after 2 dates. This is about peace, not performance. It's about God, not games. And it's not about being perfect. Only God is perfect. But it's also about you being a gift to a man, addition to his life, not a burden. If you're doing it God's way, you don't need to rush, you don't need to push or panic. The right man will come and he will come correct. You just need to be wise still and be faithful. And if he's the right one, you could be engaged in 6 months. Yes, even in today's world, the majority of godly men that I actually know personally ask their girlfriends to marry them in about 6 months' time. Therefore, the time frame here to some of you might look crazy, but it's completely reasonable. Yet, of course, it's not set in stone. Remember, God writes love stories. He has not changed. If you need help walking this path, I'm here. I offer one-on-one coaching, and I'd love to help you step into your soft, high-value, godly woman era. The link to book me is in the description below, and don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Leave me a comment below, tell me what stage you're in, share it with a friend who's dating a godly man. Subscribe for more faith-based dating wisdom. And I love you, girl. You have got this. My name is Greta Bereisaite and I'm your dating and relationship coach. Until the next time, bye.